Hi friends, now we are going to learn about structure of eye, like the internal structure of eye, what parts are present in the eye, how like the work and what are the important parts of the eye. We are going to look with the help of the diagram. So now the topic is internal structure of eye. When you are observe the structure of eye, we are going to commonly look the three layers. The eye, it will be contain the three layers. So commonly when you are look, this is the external of the eye. When you are observe that internal structure, commonly three layers are present. Those are sclerotic layer, choroid layer and retina. These three are going to protect to eye, is also known as the three layers of the eye also. So first one is sclerotic layer, commonly it will be the white in color, the first layer presents and protect to remaining parts of the eye. Then second is choroid layer, it will be black in color, that is a mid it will be present in between sclerotic layer and retina. Black in color of choroid and white is sclerotic. Two layers it will be connected to remaining parts of the eye. Third is the retina. Retina is also one of the layer, it will protect to eye, that is the third layer of the eye. Commonly three layers we are observing in the internal structure of the eye. The next most important part is a lens. When we are look any object, it will be help for the passing of image from outside to inner side. So like we are when observe the any one image, the image or the object it will be sent from retina through help of the layer. This third layer it will be help for the passing through the lens. To the image it will be fall down on yellow spot. So this is called as that very active part for the analyzing of any object or any image of object. So lens it will be help the passing of image from outside of the out, like as the environment to so near of that yellow spot. So lens is a very important for the passing of image. Commonly when we are look the image it will be fall down first on the lens, like is a reverse image, then it will be going to clear and analyze in yellow spot, like is a upright common image it will be formed in yellow spot. So that is the lens is very important. Then iris also presents, it will be one of the part, it will be help for analyzing of image or passing of image. So when we can use in Aadhaar card iris only, so never it will be mismatched to any person, one person to person, the iris it will be changed. Next one cornea is, cornea it will be act as like camera. So it will be like cornea it will be pass the image of object of the image from outside of the eye to eye. So here the yellow spot it will be going to grasp through the help of cornea and lens. These three are very important the passing. Remaining three layers it will be protecting to remaining parts of the eye. So three layers and three the image passing like parts of the eye. The next one, two chambers are present. One is vitreous chamber and one more is that aqueous. So when we are observe the lens and lens before one chamber it will be lens and after one. So here two, before and after. So here before chamber is called as aqueous chamber, lens before, and lens after one chamber is called as vitreous chamber. So vitreous chamber and aqueous both chambers are held same like that the passing on information, and that it will be protect of these are lens and iris. So two chambers are present, three common the passing parts, the passing of image, and three layers. Like that only two spots are there, one is yellow spot, one is blind spot. So what is the function here? Yellow spot it will be help for analyzing of image with help of two type of cells, that is a cones and rods. These two cones and rods are present, all these in eye. So wherever this commonly the eye is one of the organ. So in that organ these all tissues and cells are present. The cells is called as cones and rods. So everywhere here the cones and rods are present. So the cones are very more present according to the number, it called as here yellow spot. It's a very active for analyzing of that image of any object. blind spot. One more is that blind spot, it will be not as any work. Like that means cones and rods both are absent in blind spot. Because of that they can't analyze maybe image or any object outside which are present. So here blind spot opposite function of yellow spot. Yellow spot, it will be analyzed very quick and fast of any image of the object, but blind spot never it will be take the work. So two are very important, and here yes, yellow spot to one nerve it will be, the information it will be passed from eye to brain, the nerve by optic nerve. So optic nerve it will be held the passing of image or passing of information through optic nerve to brain. So eye to brain the information will pass by the nerve, optic nerve connected to yellow spot. Immediately the information it will be passed eye to brain. Yes, this is the internal structure. If any damage or any accidental or whatever the diseases through the eye or any outside of the microorganisms, some diseases it will become and damage to the internal parts of the eye. Commonly we know night blindness, xerophthalmia and color blindness we can't find out. So that it will be, we are looking yellow spot. If yellow spot any damage it will be occurs, that leads to eye diseases. Like color blindness, they can't find out the color because of maybe the damage or maybe the irregular function of yellow spot. Otherwise the blind spot will increase, that also leads to diseases. So any changes, any abnormal changes it will be present in the internal structure of eye, that leads to eye diseases. So you should protect yourself as the eye, otherwise we are going to face eye diseases. So friends, this is the internal structure, 3 layers, 2 chambers and 3 main important like organs, internal parts and 2 blind spots and yellow spot, the passing the information. Only the one nerve, that is a sensory nerve, is called as the optic nerve. The information it will be passed from eye to brain. These are all the internal parts, the important parts of the eye.